Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, where we cover motorcycles that define everyday riding. Today's focus is the Hero Splendor Plus, 2026, a name that has become a symbol of trust, mileage, and simplicity. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus stays true to its iconic design. It features a clean headlamp, simple fuel tank shape, and minimal body graphics. Small styling updates and fresh color options give it a slightly modern feel while preserving the classic look that riders love. Powering the Splendor Plus is a single-cylinder, fuel-efficient engine tuned for smooth and reliable performance. The engine delivers easy acceleration for city traffic and maintains excellent mileage. Its refined nature makes it ideal for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Splendor Plus. The upright riding posture, light clutch, and well-cushioned seat make it comfortable for riders of all ages. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling, even in crowded city conditions. The 2026 model focuses on essentials like a clear instrument cluster, tubeless tires, reliable braking with ABS, and low-maintenance parts. Everything is designed to keep running costs low and ownership stress-free. Daily commuters needing maximum mileage. Riders looking for low maintenance and reliability. Buyers who prefer a simple, trusted motorcycle. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues to do what it does best. Deliver dependable performance, comfort, and outstanding fuel efficiency. It's not about flashy features, but about honest riding every single day. Stay tuned with Classic Bike Drive for more real motorcycle stories, because every ride deserves to be classic.